Today we have a nice Toshiba Dynabook laptop. We will replace the thermal paste. The model of the laptop is Dynabook Satellite Pro C50-H. The laptop looks pretty much like new, no scratches, no nothing. It's in a pretty good shape and it's about 2 years old, so the customer decided to replace the thermal paste. So let's start. Basically we have to take out the screws on the back, and I think the back cover should come out. So let's start. I haven't opened this model so far, so you have to be careful. The screws are the same size. Let's hope there's nothing hidden. Let's see the ones on the... yeah, those are shorter on the edge. We have a screw here that, yeah. So we have the screws removed. Now let's try and open the laptop. We're gonna start from this side, and we have to be very careful not to scratch something because the laptop is in pretty much perfect condition. We're gonna use something plastic here. Yeah, the plastic is out. The battery is a little bit swallowed. We have to warn the customer. Now let's disconnect the battery first. Pretty much the laptop is like new. I haven't seen a laptop that is about 2 years old and it's in that good of a condition. Pretty much we're gonna remove the cooler, we're gonna replace the thermal paste because it's 2 years of use, so probably the paste is dry. So let's start. We don't have a dedicated GPU, so it's only the cooler here. 3 screws. Let's see, can we remove only the cooler without lifting the fan? But I think not, so we have to remove those plastic covers here for the fan. They are protecting the chassis from bending, probably. Like this. Now we have to take out the cables. We're gonna disconnect the fan. Like this. Now move the cooler a little bit left to right and lift it gently. Yeah, like this. Now the fan is like new. I'm gonna say it again. So let's clean. We want to use a dry Q-tip first, so we don't do a lot of mess around the board. The old paste sticks very good on the Q-tip, so you don't have to clean more after that. We're going to do the same with the cooler. Be careful not to bend it because it's very thin. Now you're going to use a little alcohol. Nice and shiny. And the cooler, of course, don't push too much. Like this. Now let's get the paste. Arctic MX 4 as usual. Don't put too much, otherwise you have to clean next time more. Now let's put the cooler back. Move the cooler a little bit left to right in order for the paste to get even, and just put the screws back. Let's connect the fan. Like this. Now let's put those sticky things on their place. Like this. The only thing we gotta do now is just plug back the battery. Like this, and put the back cover. No dust, no nothing. The cleanest 2 years old laptop that I have seen. Now we have to push the front first. Yeah, try to lock the front side first. Like this. Now the only thing we gotta do is put the screws back. The shorter ones are in front and all the rest are the same size. Now let's see, do we have a picture? We have to plug the charger first. Pressing the power button, nothing happens. Let me get the charger. Pressing the power button, the blue light come on, and we have a picture. Pretty much that's the whole procedure. Now you know how you can replace the thermal paste in this Toshiba Dynabook laptop. I hope you liked the video. Bye bye for now.